Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to register Shein app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Shein app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Now go to me icon located on bottom right corner. So here you can see sign in or register in topmost. Simply tap on it. Now here either you can type in your email or phone number, or you can also continue with your Google, with Facebook, or with your Apple ID. For now, let me continue with Google. So let me tap on continue with Google. Now tap on continue. So here you need to select your Google account or your Gmail account. Once you're done, it will show you this kind of interface. Here tap on continue button. Now here again go to your profile. So here you can see that you have successfully registered your Shein account. So that is for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.